Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss the lymphatic drainage of the lower limb. There are two types of lymphatic vessels which are present in the lower limb. These are superficial lymphatic vessels and deep lymphatic vessels. First of all, we will discuss the superficial lymphatic vessels. The superficial lymphatic vessels converge on and accompany the saphenous veins and their tributaries. There are two saphenous veins in the lower limb. One is great saphenous vein and another one is the small saphenous vein. So the lymphatic vessels which are accompanying the great saphenous vein, they will end in the vertical group of the superficial inguinal lymph nodes. See here in this diagram, all the lymphatic vessels which are accompanying the great saphenous vein, they are draining in the superficial inguinal lymph nodes. The superficial inguinal lymph nodes will pass directly to the external iliac lymph nodes which are located along the external iliac vein. Some of the lymph nodes they will drain, or some of the lymph from the superficial lymphatic vessels, they will drain in the deep inguinal lymph nodes. Okay, the deep inguinal lymph nodes, they are located under the deep fascia on the medial aspect of the femoral vein. These were the lymphatic vessels which were around the great saphenous vein. Now there are some lymphatic vessels which are accompanying the small saphenous vein. Those lymphatic vessels will enter the popliteal lymph nodes. See here in this diagram, this is small saphenous vein, and all the lymphatic vessels which are accompanying the small saphenous vein, they are draining in the popliteal lymph nodes which are present in the popliteal fossa along the popliteal vein. Okay, from the popliteal vein also they will drain into the deep inguinal lymph nodes. Okay, see here in this diagram, they have shown the great saphenous vein. All lymphatic vessels, they are draining in the superficial inguinal lymph nodes, superior group, deep inguinal lymph nodes, and the superficial inguinal lymph nodes, inferior group. Okay, then what will happen? The deep inguinal lymph nodes and the superficial inguinal lymph nodes, they will ultimately drain in the external iliac lymph nodes. External iliac lymph nodes are around the external iliac vein. Then from the external iliac lymph nodes, the lymph will drain in the common iliac lymph nodes. From the common iliac lymph nodes, the lymph will drain in the lateral lumbar or caval and aortic lymph nodes and the lumbar lymphatic trunk. Now there are some deep lymphatic vessels. From the leg, they accompany the deep veins and also enter the popliteal lymph nodes. Okay, just like the superficial lymphatics around the small saphenous vein which were draining in the popliteal lymph nodes, these are the deep lymphatic vessels which are along the deep veins. They will also drain in the popliteal lymph nodes. Most lymph from these nodes, they will come to the deep inguinal lymph nodes, and then before I have told you that from deep inguinal they will come to the external iliac lymph nodes and then to the common iliac lymph nodes, and then ultimately they will enter the lumbar lymphatic trunk. Lumbar lymphatic trunk. Again the same diagram. See here, this is the great saphenous vein. All lymphatic vessels, I will revise everything. All lymphatic vessels which are along the great saphenous vein, they will ultimately drain in the superficial inguinal lymph nodes, the superior group and the inferior group, and the deep inguinal lymph nodes. Okay, deep inguinal lymph nodes are around the femoral vein. Then from the deep inguinal lymph nodes and the superficial inguinal lymph nodes, they will come toward the external iliac lymph nodes, then to the common iliac lymph nodes, and then to the lumbar lymphatic trunk. Similarly, those lymphatic vessels which are around the small saphenous vein or deep lymphatic vessels also, they will drain ultimately in the popliteal lymph nodes, and from the popliteal lymph nodes they will drain in the deep inguinal lymph nodes, then to the external iliac lymph nodes, then to the common iliac lymph nodes, and then to the lumbar lymph nodes and the lumbar lymphatic trunk.